The HP has given the Omen 17 a much-needed design overhaul. Instead of the safe, frumpy solid carbon fiber exterior from previous iterations, HP chose to go bold. It was the right decision. You'll still get your carbon fiber on the lid. The majority of the panel is made from the black material. The rest is made from brushed black plastic, which takes away from that premium look HP is going for. The glossy Fire Engine red Voodoo logo gleams in the top center panel, accentuated by the 4 blood red matte darts forming an X at the center of the lid. The lid then angles down gently with the center portion seamlessly transitioning into the hinge, with Omen stamped along the center. Meanwhile, the vents are doing their best impression of a high-powered supercar. The Omen 17's interior panel is made of black brushed aluminum and is cool to the touch. The large keyboard with its red-lined keys is inset into a shallow depression in the deck. The power button, shaped like a glossy parallelogram, sits in the top left corner, leaving the bright red Omen in the center and branding for Bang & Olufsen on the right. Below the keyboard is the silver chrome-lined touchpad. My favorite part of the interior is the small Voodoo emblem positioned along the bottom center bezel. It holds your gaze as if it were casting a spell. Omen HP makes a compelling case for the placement. Located on the bottom front edge of the laptop, the pair of Bang & Olufsen tuned speakers easily filled the test lab with loud, clear audio. SZA's floaty vocal was crisp and clean on the weekend, as were the cymbals and piano. The bass was a little weak, but forgivable. That overall rich sound carried over into The Witcher 3, allowing me to enjoy the gentle swirl of violins as I rode looking for my next adventure. As a storm blew in, I could hear the plants in a nearby wheat field whip wildly around, punctuated by the heavy clump of my horse's hooves against the dirt road. The Omen 17's overall design is definitely future-forward, but in some ways, its keyboard is stuck in the past. I'm disappointed that HP hasn't jumped on the customizable backlighting bandwagon with the rest of its competition. Instead, I'm left with the white backlit keys, which glowing against red-lined keys.